Welcome to Fleet Assess. One of the things people don't realise what we do is trailer transformations or trailer refurbishments. Currently we have this batch of 2017 Lawrence David curtain siders for sale. These can be offered to you in any colour, in any livery. We can tailor this to your choice. With flush back doors, ideal for sign writing, and the spec of the trailers is bomb proof. It's pillarless, it's full ENXL rated, fully QC'd, fully serviced, compliant with long MOT and good tyres. The trailer's ready to load direct from collection. Specify and order your trailer today. Call Fleet Assess on 01706 627 376.